When you look up the best car ramps for oil changes, everything seems to blend together. Same claims, same designs, and it can get really confusing. But here's the thing, the real differences lie beneath the surface, and today we're digging deep. Product number 1, HOXWELL Portable Car Ramps. First up, we have the HOXWELL Portable Car Ramps. Priced at $75.99, these ramps caught my attention with their heavy-duty build and impressive 10,000-pound capacity. If you want reliable support for oil changes, this is worth a serious look. Plus, with a honeycomb design that prevents collapse, you can work with peace of mind. With over 552 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that people are satisfied with this product. Now, some people complained about its weight. At 8.8 pounds, it might feel a bit cumbersome for some. Here's the thing though, once you're using them, the stability and safety far outweigh any inconvenience during transport. If you're someone who regularly works on vehicles, this is a small trade-off for the safety you gain. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or need reliable support for home repairs. Skip this one if you want a ramp that's ultra-lightweight and portable. At $75.99, it's a great value for the quality you get. Now, if the weight of the HOXWELL ramps bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability. Product number 2, ROBLOCK Heavy-Duty Car Ramps. Next up, we have the ROBLOCK Heavy-Duty Car Ramps, priced at $83.99. These ramps are quite similar to the HOXWELL, but they offer some added features that really caught my eye. If you're after safety and usability, this one's worth checking out. The anti-slip design enhances traction, ensuring your car stays securely in place while you work. The internal honeycomb structure prevents any risk of collapse, which is crucial when you're under a vehicle. With a solid 4.3-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, it's clear users trust these ramps. However, some users have noted that the ramps can feel a bit slippery if wet. Now, while that's a valid concern, you should always make sure your work area is dry before using ramps anyway. So it's not a complete deal breaker, just a good reminder to keep your workspace in check. This is ideal for those who prioritize safety and stability during vehicle maintenance. Skip this one if you're looking for something even cheaper. Priced at $83.99, it's slightly more, but the added peace of mind is worth it. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list really ramps up the lifting height. Product number 3, ROBLOCK Low Profile Car Ramps. Coming in at number 3 are the ROBLOCK Low Profile Car Ramps, priced at $105.99. With a lifting height of 6.1 inches, these ramps are a step up in terms of accessibility. If you've got a low chassis vehicle, this one's a must-see. These ramps have a 13,000-pound capacity, making them suitable for a variety of vehicles, including SUVs and light trucks. The wider 12-inch base offers increased stability, and the curved grooves help keep your tires in place. The anti-slip texture means you're less likely to have any mishaps during your work. With a similar 4.3-star rating from 978 reviews, it's a strong contender. But there are some complaints about the weight. At about 17.88 pounds per pair, they're heftier than some might want. But honestly, that weight contributes to the sturdiness. And if you need reliability, it's a trade-off worth considering. This is perfect for you if you often work on low vehicles or need extra height for maintenance. Skip this one if you prefer lightweight options. At $105.99, you're paying for quality and durability. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, the next option might surprise you. Product number 4, ROBLOCK Car Ramps for Lift. Next, we have the ROBLOCK Car Ramps for Lift, with a budget-friendly price of $29.99. This option really stands out for those who are looking for something affordable without sacrificing too much on quality. If you're looking to save money, this could be your best choice. These ramps are designed for low chassis vehicles with a 17-degree slope, providing a lifting height of 2.6 inches. With a GVW of 20,000 pounds, they're surprisingly strong for their size. The honeycomb design enhances traction, and the non-slip pads keep them stable during use. Given that they have a 4.3-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, they're a trusted choice among budget-conscious buyers. However, some users expressed concerns about the low lift height, as it's not ideal for direct undercar access. Here's the thing, if you're using a jack with these ramps, you can still make it work, but you need to be aware that it's not for heavy-duty tasks. This is perfect for you if you own a low-profile car and want a lightweight option. Skip this if you need something for higher lift requirements. At $29.99, it's a steal for the quality. Now, if you want a similar option but with a bit more capacity, stick around for the last product. Product number 5, TOWKING car ramps. Finally, let's talk about the TOWKING car ramps, also priced at $29.99. These ramps are another great budget option, but they come with unique features that really set them apart. If you're looking for something that balances cost and functionality, this is worth a look. The reasonable design and self-alignment front stop make them easy to use, and the anti-slip pads ensure stability. They have a solid 4.5-star rating from 303 reviews, indicating they're well received by users. However, some users found the ramps to be a bit short, which can restrict access under the car. But honestly, for the price point and the design, they still provide a good value for light maintenance work. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable ramp for minor maintenance tasks. Skip this if you require high-clearance access. At $29.99, you're getting a reliable and affordable option. To wrap things up, we've covered a range of options from the sturdy HOXWELL and ROBLOCK ramps to the budget-friendly ROBLOCK and TOWKING models. Each has unique strengths to fit different needs, whether you prioritize safety, height, or price. Choose the one that best aligns with your vehicle and maintenance style.